So guys, this is basically part 2 because I actually closed the last one. Actually stopped it. If the hospital records over 3 deaths, it's over. Got it. Got it. Thriller. Thriller. I don't trust you. Okay, what's in the shop? What's in the shop? The shop. The shop. How much is the taser? One shock people, one use. Nope, wrong item. Okay, but I don't know if I went out of storage or like actually hung up the last one or closed the last one, but like I don't know. Still, I didn't mean to do that, but like part 2, I guess. Thriller, thriller. This is basically just the same. It starts off where we left off. Room 7, room 7. Where did I take a dump? Mr. Dog. 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 Yeah, I don't trust the dog. Can I tase this dog? Yeah, this dog needs to be tased. What you dumb? I'm gonna put this dog. I'm gonna put this dog down. I'm gonna put this dog down. Bonnie, what's happening? Bonnie, your dinosaur. That's my brain whenever I'm stuck on a question that's really important. I think I need to get a taser. Someone died. What do I do about that? Can I just put you in the bin? Yeah, I'll put you in the bin. Thriller, thriller, thriller. Well, at least you're good now. What did I do? I'm going back. I'm coming. I'm coming. There's no one here. Okay, so one of these guys needs to be tased or shot. I'm gonna let you through if you're good. Stop that. Okay, I'm back. You good? You give me flashbacks. So the taser should be ready in 30 sec. 30 sec. Hey, you know what I'm about to do, Bonnie? Bonnie the Dino know what I'm about to do. Got a tase. I'm about to tase. Yeah. Yeah. 1. Good. I'm just going to get myself some coffee. I have 90% now. I chug the coffee. Mm. 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 Yeah, here for the. At least I can't ding the bell. I spoke too soon. My guy! I'll close this door. Finally. I wanted to tase him though. So I don't trust the tase. I don't trust you. I don't trust this. If I tase them, then it's... Oh my goodness. Again? Okay, well. They're probably just shaken up from the earth flip. No, they're not. That's way more than shaken up. My reaction would be like, they're probably just a bit shaken up. Oh, flip. That's way more than shaken up. You sure that's normal? I'm gonna need this. I'm gonna think. Yeah, you ain't normal. So the guy ain't normal. Nearly everyone is taken up. Okay, someone's here. What's the big idea? It's Quaxley! Officer Quaxley! Duckman, now you're Quaxley. No, I haven't seen him. This is his picture. What's his picture? No, I'm gonna knock on him in. Okay, got it. Okay, well. I'm so tempted to tase the cop. That is not normal. Where's the ghost? Show yourself. I think the ghost is gone. Okay. That's reassuring. And the Zookas. Can't go outside. Okay, I get it. You're here. I'm gonna go do these guys now. So, don't like that sound. I'm gonna get the taser. I'm gonna throw it. I'm gonna say hell no. I'm gonna say get away from me. No, wait, who is it? No. Eye drop. You did eye drop. IV drop. I didn't actually mean to nearly take the IV drops. Okay, well. Okay. So I got 2 cough. Okay, basically the same, but you need medicine. What do you mean a ghostly presence? I only heard the sound. Oh, I see what you mean now. Will you stop? Stop right there. Get away. Ah! I'm a taser. Can I tase the ghost? That's my question. So medicine, and then I don't remember what it was. Okay, I'll drop an IV. Okay, some more stuff. We need some ointment. I need to get rid of these ghosts. What do you mean, a ritual? What the hell? Give me this. Death ritual? Hell no. One around there. Okay, well. See you guys later. Bye-bye.